It's episode 2 of building my career as a makeup artist. So today what we're gonna do is ये mess जो आपको दिख रहा है, I won't call it mess, but ये जो products आपको दिख रहे हैं they just need to be organized. So ये जो boxes जिसमें मैं पहले अपना स्किन केयर रखती थी, now we'll have everything organized. So सबसे पहले I'll start with like removing products in like categories, foundations, concealers, setting sprays, primers, ऐसे करके, and then we'll start arranging them in here. हम affordable and high end का कुछ वो सब नहीं कर रहे हैं कि ये easy हो जाएगा हमारे लिए. No, we're gonna do blushes एक साथ, contours एक साथ, सब एक साथ, so that later on when I have to take out things I just grab the drawer. So let's just start doing that first. Look at me looking like a cartoon, but yeah. Okay, ये सब मैंने segregate कर लिया. You can see primers, setting sprays, foundations, concealers, correctors. सब ऐसे segregate कर लिया है. Skincare, eye product. Now we'll start arranging them in these boxes. Look at my hand. I just got shade test done. So yeah, in boxes में अपन एक एक कैटेगरी लगाना चालू करेंगे. So let's start. मैं ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करूँगी. Kits are organized. This has the color correctors, foundations, concealers, and all the you see these stroke creams also. Wait. Then this one has all my eyeshadow palettes and like the glitters, powders, setting powder, compact powder, and these 4 are those 3-in-1 palettes: blush, highlighter, and contour. This has the highlighters and mascaras. This shade coming. This has blush, contours, blush powders, and contour powder. This has skincare, your what do we say, setting sprays and primers. So that's how I've divided them. This one has your brushes, lipsticks, lip liners, and that has all the sponges in it. So yeah, as my t-shirt says, feeling productive, I also feel productive. Clearly I did the most. So it has skin prep, my primers and setting sprays, foundations, concealers, color correctors, powders, and the 3-in-1 palettes. Then moving on to highlighters, mascaras, blush, contours, and our eyeshadows. So yeah, pretty much did a very good job. At least that's what I think. And if you guys also think the same way, just comment like a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, guys, and stay tuned for part 3 probably, which might be about what I have in my bridal makeup kit, affordable and high-end. So I love you guys. Thank you.